पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम्
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम्
वदामि संस्कृतं सदा
वदामि संस्कृतं सदा
ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्
ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय
नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्
नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्
संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो
संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये
आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्.
So we completed the 5th chapter the previous week. There are 2 slokas on Saraswati which I have to complete. So we will do it at an appropriate time. So today I'm moving on to the 6th chapter of the Pravesha book. Okay. So you don't have to use the book as yet, but we will be starting with the 6th chapter of the Pravesha book, which is about the Bhavishyat Kala Prayogaha, future tense. So we will be learning the future tense today because we've already completed the use of the present tense and the past tense in the earlier chapters. Okay. So if we have to apply some of the techniques in the future tense, we have to do a quick recall of what we know. We learned about the concept of Adya, Shvaha, Parashvaha and all that. We've learned the concept of the time. So we should know all that. We should recollect all that if we want to apply it in the future tense. So I'll give you a quick recap, okay? And then we will go on to using or applying it in the Bhavishyat column and then see the table of the Bhavishyat column. If time permits, we will do the Saraswati sloka or I'll push it to the subsequent classes, right? So here you go. So here the Sukti is Chitte Vachi Triyayam Cha Mahatam Ekarupata. So this is the Sukti for the Pravesha book 6. So Chitta is the intellect, Vachi, the vak, the speech, Priya is the action. So all these have to be aligned. If it is aligned, then it is supposed to be in the same direction. Mahatam Ekarupata. So if it is in Ekarupata, that is the Mahatvam. That is what we explain here. So what we think, what our intellect dictates, the Chittam is intellect, that our words and our deeds should be aligned together. Mahatam Ekarupata is what this says. I will explain more about it. There is a nice Subhashitam that comes with it. Today we will get going with the concept of Bhavishyat Kala. So we have already learned this Vartamana Kala, which is Lat Lakaraha. So Punasmaranam, Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti, Gacchasi, Gacchathaha, Gacchatha, Gacchami, Gacchavaha, Gacchamaha. So we use the concept of Saha gachati or balakaha gachati, where we had one namapadam and this kriyapadam in Vartamana Kala present tense in order to create sentences. So tau gachataha, te gachanti. So sa gachati, te gachataha, taha gachanti, tat gachati, te gachataha, tani gachanti. And when it comes to Madhyama Purushaha, Tvam Gachasi, Yuvam Gachataha, Yuyam Gachatha. When it comes to Uttama Purushaha, Aham Gachami, Avam Gachavaha, Vayam Gachamaha. So this entire thing is called as the Lat Lakaraha, which we learned earlier. We also gave a rhyme kind of a tune for this. Gachati Gachataha Gachanti, Gachasi Gachataha Gachatha. Gachami, gachavaha, gachamaha. So you all remember it, right? So if you all remember it, please give me a thumbs up so that I can go to the next topic. Okay. So going forward, we learned this concept of adya, shvaha, parashvaha, parashvaha. Adya, let's recollect it with action. Adya, shvaha, parashvaha, parashvaha. Idam chintayatu, balakaha gacchati. Balakaha vidyalayam gacchati. Dvitiya vibhakti prayoga. Etavat paryantam vayam patitavantah. Balakaha adya vidyalayam gacchati. Balakaha kada vidyalayam gacchati. Balakaha adya vidyalayam gacchati. Balakaha shvaha vidyalayam gacchati va? Am. Balakaha shvaha vidyalayam gamishyati. Gamishyati. Gacchati sthane bhavishyat kale gamishyati iti prayoga bhavati. Shvaha gamishyati. Parashvaha gamishyati. Praparashvaha gamishyati. Avagatam? Atah vartamana kala prayoge gacchati. Bhavishyat kala prayoge gamishyati. You can recollect that subhashitam. Kim kasya shvo bhavishyati. Shvo means shvaha, right? Shvaha bhavishyati comes in that subhashitam that you learned earlier. So nobody knows what is going to happen in the future. Ataha shvaha karaniyani adya kuryat buddhiman. We learned that subhashitam. So shvaha karishyati. So bhavishyati, etc. Now let us see here. Bhagavan Krishnavataram kritavan akarot karoti sma. We learned all that. Now Bhagavan Krishnavataram Kalki avataram karishyati. So it will be future karishyati. So gachati gamishyati. Patati patishyati. Patati patishyati. Kridati kridishyati. Vadati vadishyati. Bhavati bhavishyati. Khadati khadishyati. Karoti karishyati. These are the normal forms. There are many exceptions. We will go into the exceptions. You can use your kriya padam or the verbs material that you have. I would have explained the first page alone, right? So if we just have a look at that. I will open it here. So there you see the first line which explains about the different kriya padams in Vartamana Kalam, right? So if you have a look at it, there is something called as the Bhavishyat Kalam. That is what we are discussing now. Bhavishyat Kala Rupa. Okay. So it is like this, right? You have this Bhavishyat, in which you will have the Bhavishyat Kala Rupam. So for Patati, Patishyati, Kridati, Kridishyati, Bhavati, Bhavishyati. So you will be seeing this particular column. Are you all able to get that? Okay. So look only at the first page at this point of time. Do not look at exceptions. We will go there. So just look at the first page at this point of time. So patati, patishyati, kridati, kridishyati, bhavati, bhavishyati. Okay. So you can start using the future tense by using that stambam at this point of time. So let us start applying our learnings now.
Ravina Bagni, I have one small doubt. I was also referring to that entire table yesterday to learn Bhutakalaha. But in Bhutakalaha, we are saying Patitavan instead of Apatat. Normally we use that no? So this Bhutakala is another form of it.
Another form of it. Patitavan, Patitavati. I was teaching you from the Lakara perspective. Patitavan, Patitavati we will do. That's simpler. We did that in Shibiram, I think. But I can do a recap. Shibiram we used Patitavan Bagini. So Shibagini, yes, we did Patitavan in Shibiram.
I didn't come up with
Patitavan. Yeah, we will touch on that. It's very simple actually. Okay.
So which means Bhutakalaha, you have three things. You can add, sma, you can suffix, and you also use this.
Correct. And if I have to add another dimension, there is not just one Bhutakala. You have immediate Bhutakala, you have, a normal Bhutakala, and you have an ancient Bhutakala. Okay. So I told you, we have 10 Lakaras. So, yeah. Okay. So we will get to this now. Bhanuvasaraha, Somavasaraha, Mangalavasaraha, Budhavasaraha, Guruvasaraha, Shukravasaraha, Sanivasaraha. So, quick recap. Okay. Now I want you to apply the Bhavishyat Kala Prayogaha using the two things we just discussed. Shwaha, Parashwaha, Praparashwaha, and also the Bhanuvasaraha, Somavasaraha, etc. Okay. Now, Adya Somavasaraha. Adya Somavasaraha.
Na, Adya Bhanuvasaraha.
Budhavasare Bhavan Kim Karoti? Swaminathan Mahodaya. Budhavasare Bhavan Kim Karoti? Use Karishyati for that.
Aham Budhavasare Karyalayam Gamishyati.
Gamishyami. Aham.
Gamishyami. Karyalayam.
Budhavasare Karyalayam Gamishyami.
Gamishyami.
Uttamam. Sudha Bhagini. Bhavati Kim Karishyati?
Aham Patam Patishyami.
Aham Patam Patishyami. Uttamam. Aham Patam Patishyami. Raji Bhagini. Balakaha Shukravasare Kim Karishyati?
Balakaha Shukravasare Kridishyati.
Kridishyati. Use the paper that you have on your hand so that you can use the different Kriyapadams. Use the Bhavishyat Kala Prayoga in your papers. Okay.
So Kridishyati is right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now let us go to Praparashwaha. Praparashwaha. Raj Mahodaya. Parashwaha.
Praparashwaha. Aham tennis Kridishyami.
Praparashwaha aham tennis Kridishyami. Uttamam. Praparashwaha. Sujata Shankar Bhagini.
Praparashwaha aham udyanam gamishyami.
Udyanam Gamishyami. Uttamam. Sushi Bhagini. Shwaha, Parashwaha, Praparashwaha, et kimapi. Bhavishyat Kala Rupam. Mute asti.
Praparashwaha aham apanikam गमिष्यामि
आपणं गमिष्यामि
आपणं गमिष्यामि
उत्तमं नीना भगिनी वाक्यम्
अहं परस्वः होटेल् सवेरा गच्छामि
सवेरा होटेल् गमिष्यामि भविष्यत्काल प्रयोगः गमिष्यामि भगिनी भवती किं करिष्यति
अहं परश्वः मित्रं मेलिष्यामि उत्तमम् अनु अगरवाल भगिनी
अहं परश्वः चेन्नै गमिष्यामि कोलकातातः चेन्नै गमिष्यामि
उत्तमं रेणु भगिनी
अहं परश्वः पायसं पचिष्यामि
अहं खादिष्यामि
त्वं खादिष्यामि उत्तमम्
त्वं खादिष्यति अहं खादिष्यामि उत्तमम्
अति प्रसन्नं भविष्यामि
सन्तोषः आशा भगिनी वाक्यम्
अस्तु परश्वः अहं संस्कृतपाठं पठिष्यामि
सम्यक् अहं संस्कृतपाठं पठिष्यामि कविता भगिनी
परश्वः अहं गीतं गायिष्यामि.
Okay, that is a special thing that will come. Geshyami, we will discuss that in a short while.
Okay. Sorry, I joined late today.
Suma Bhagini, Lakshmi Bhagini, Kala Bhagini, I don't see you in video. If you want to join, you can unmute and say.
How do we use pashyami, chitram?
Use the simple ones. We will go into
simple ones. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yatashyami, is that will that work?
So pashya, it says here drakshyati.
We will go into that. Just use
that's an exception.
That we
that's an exception, I guess.
Even for likhanam.
Kala Bhagini, use from these, ma'am.
So that's why I'm running out of verbs.
Use any of these.
Okay. Okay. Padishyami, patishyam. Parashvaha aham vadishyami.
Parashvaha aham vadishyami. Astu. So let's
shall I? Paraswaha aham kadishyati. Kadishyami.
So this is how we apply things in the future tense. Okay. Now just to expand on this, in fact, Anu Agarwal Bhagini went ahead of my thought. So we can apply it for time also, where we learned about ekavadanam, dvivadanam, trivadanam, chaturvadanam, etc. Right? So ashtavadanam, panchavadanam, trivadanam. What is this? Anybody remembers? Pada extra, right?
Sapada, yeah, sapada shashta.
Okay. This is
Sardha
Trivadanam. This is Padona.
Navavadanam.
Okay. Pancha
Nyuna
Dashavadana.
Dasha
Dashavadana.
So the question for all these will also be kada. Okay. So Anu Agarwal Bhagini said, no, aham Calcutta taha Chennai gamishyami. So the same way we can use Shadvadana taha Saptavadana paryantam. Ashtavadana taha Navavadana paryantam. Somavasara taha Shukravasara paryantam. Kalkattatah Chennai Paryantam. So these kind of combinations we can use. So let's try to combine this concept and then use the Bhavishyat Kala Prayogaha. So aham shvaha pratah kale panchavadanatah षड्वादन पर्यन्तं योगासनं करिष्यामि. Okay, so all of you can just try some sentences like this. Sujata Mundra Bhagini.
Aham sartha षट्वादनं
षड्वादनतः
तः सप्तवादनं पर्यन्तं अध्ययनं करिष्यामि.
So when you say Sadha Shadvadanatah, Shadvadanam Taha will not come. Shadvadanatah Saptavadana Paryantam. The im will not come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I say, Bhagini?
Yes, go ahead.
Aham Sadha Saptavahanatah Astavadana Paryantam Snanam
Karishyami. Karishyami.
Karishyami.
Sorry. Anya, whoever wants, just volunteer and tell the sentences, please.
Aham shvaha pratah kale sapada ashtavadanam tah sardha ashtavadanam paryantam pujishyami.
Pujishyami is fine. If you want to use Vidya Vibhakti, Pujanam Karishyami. That is also fine.
Pujanam. Okay.
Correct. Agre?
Pujanam, is it? Pujanam.
Or Pujam. Pujam Karishyami.
Pujam is fine.
So who wants to go next? Anybody?
I'll try.
Yeah.
Navavadan Pratah Kale Navavadanatah Sardha Dashavadana Paryantam Grihakaryam Karishyami.
Uttanam, uttanam. Navavadanatah Sardha Dashavadana Paryantam Grihakaryam Karishyami. Uttanam. Agre?
Aham shvaha ekadashavadanam tam trivadanam paryantam Tiruchi. See, what for from two of places also you use taha paryantam. Tiruchi taha Chennai paryantam yane gamishyami.
Uttam, uttam. The only thing is when you're saying that time, ekadashavadanam shratam, ekadashavadanatah. That is the only thing.
Oh, vadanatah, and when you're saying paryantam,
samanam. Trivadana paryantam. So there is
vadana.
No
instead of im, we should use
trivadana paryantam.
If you want to say from 11 to 4:45, I stay in school. What do you say for that?
Aham vidyalaye bhavami. Bhavami.
Bhavishyami.
Future tense bhavishyami. Bhavami.
May I?
Yes, go ahead.
Aham shvaha ekavadanatah trivadana paryantam vimane bhavishyami.
Uttamam, uttamam, uttama vakyam. Idanam सायंकालम् उपयुज्य समानविषयं भविष्यत्काले प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु.
अहं सायंकाले in panch what is that for quarter? Sorry, I forgot. Sapada panchavadane vadanatah what's it again?
Sapada
pancha shadvadane kridashyami.
सपाद षड्वादनपर्यन्तं क्रीडिष्यामि
पर्यन्तं क्रीडिष्यामि थैंक यू
अहम can I go ahead? अहम सार्धषट्वादने तः अष्टवादने पर्यन्तं गीतम् अभ्यासं करिष्यामि.
That ne will not come. सार्धषड्वादनतः सार्धषड्वादने
अष्टवादने पर्यन्तं.
Can I go Pravina Bhagini?
Yes, go ahead.
अहं दशाधिक अष्टवादनतः नववादनं भोजनं पर्यन्तं भोजनं खादिष्यामि.
उत्तमं. सुधा भगिनी अन्तिमम्.
पादोन दशवादने प्रातःकाले सायंकाले पादोन दशवादने तः काले वादनपर्यन्तं निद्रां करिष्यामि. What is it?
अहं पादोन दशवादनतः पञ्चवादनपर्यन्तं निद्रां करिष्यामि. So
Nidram Karishyami is right, is it?
Karishyami. Okay. So this is the overall idea with which we understand the Bhavishyat Kala Rupa. Okay. So Gacchati Gamishyati, Patati Patishyati, Patati Patishyati, Kridati Kridishyati, Vadati Vadishyati, Bhavati Bhavishyati, Khadati Khadishyati, Karoti Karishyati. Okay. These are the very simple forms that we can use. So this is the table I said you can access to create sentences. Now what you can do is to practice just like how we did for the Vartamana Kala earlier, substitute those words with the Bhavishyat Kala to create many sentences. So Balakaha Patishyati, Eshaha Patishyati, Saha Patishyati, Kaha Patishyati, Bhavan Patishyati. And then you can add a karma to it and then create the sentence. Then you can add taha paryantam, samayaha. So you can keep expanding on it to create long sentences to represent your ideas. Okay. So the same chart which I explained earlier, in the place of gacchati, gamishyati is there, right? So in that you can substitute all the kriya padas that we discussed. That is how you expand it. So the chart is also there in that verbs book that you see. It will be after the English concept. So we learnt the Pratama Purushaha Ekavachana Rupam till now. Okay. Again, this is also a lakara, right? It's called as the Rit Lakaraha. So you will have 9 forms which you can use. So Pratama Purushaha Ekavachana Rupam, Dvivachana Rupam, Bahuvachana Rupam. Similarly, Madhyama Purushaha Ekavachana Rupam, Dvivachana Rupam, Bahuvachana Rupam. Uttama Purushaha Samanam Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachana Rupam. So the Rupa will be Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti, Patishyasi, Patishyataha, Patishyatha, Patishyami, Patishyavaha, Patishyamaha. Okay. So who wants to go for Krida? Yes, Sudha Bhai, go ahead.
Kridashyati, Kridashyataha, Kridashyanti. Kridasyasi, Kridasyataha, Kridasyatha. Kridashyami, Kridasyavaha, Kridasyamaha.
Can I go?
Sushi Bhagini, da.
Saha Dhavayati.
No, tell me the 9 forms.
Oh, just okay. Dhavishyati, Dhavishyataha, Dhavishyanti, Dhavishyasi, Dhavishyatha, Dhavishyatha, Dhavishyami, Dhavishyavaha, Dhavishyamaha.
Uttamam. Anubhagini, chal.
Did you call my name, Guru?
Yes.
Yeah. Chala. Chalishyati, Chalishyatah, चलिष्यन्ति, चलिष्यसि, चलिष्यथः, चलिष्यथ, चलिष्यामि, चलिष्यावः, चलिष्यामः.
I'll try.
Yes, go ahead. Kri will be karishyati.
Karishyati, karishyatah, karisyanti, karishyasi, karishyatah, karishyatha, karishyami, karishyavah, karishyamah.
Uttam.
Vadichyati,
yeah.
Vadishyatah, Vadishyanti, Vadishyasi, Vadishyatah, Vadishyatha, Vadishyatami,
Vadishyami,
Vadishyami, Vadishyavah, Vadishyamah.
Suma Bhagini, go ahead.
Rakshayati, Rakshayatah, Rakshayanti, Rakshayasi, Rakshayatah, Rakshayata, Rakshayami,
No, Rakshyati. Rakshyati.
Rakshyasi, Rakshyatah, Rakshyatha, Rakshyami, Rakshyaavah, Rakshyaamah.
That will not come as Rakshish, is it? Patishya varamari Rakshishyatin varada.
I'll get to Rakshishati. That's slightly, I have to explain about the addition I'll give.
Okay.
Kadashyati, may I go?
Yeah. Anybody who started? Kala Baini or Anu Baini? One of you.
Kala.
Kala Baini, go ahead.
Kadashyati, Kadashyatah, Kadashyanti, Kadashyasi, Kadashyatah, Kadashyatha, Kadashyami, Kadashyavah, Kadashyamah.
Okay. As far as Raksh is concerned, right? Just like everything else, you have Creed, then that becomes Creedishyati. Pat becomes Patishyati. Vad becomes Vadishyati. So Raksh would become Rakshishyati. So Rakshishyati, Rakshishyatah, Rakshishyanti. Rakshishyasi, Rakshishyatah, Rakshishyatha. Rakshishyami, Rakshishyavah, Rakshishyamah. That would be the Rupa.
Kala also, Kala, when you said Kada, it should be Kadi.
Kadishyati. Kadishyati.
Yeah, okay. I think you said as Kada.
I felt something was amiss.
But you did got everything right, only the should become the.
Okay, that's only one place. Is it? Okay.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
Yeah, you started with Khada and you continued with Khada instead of Khada.
Okay, so here you notice Yuvakaha Shwaha. So because the word Shwaha is used, the Kriya Padam has to be in the Bhavishyat Kala Rupam. So we will just try to practice the Pratama Purushaha Ekavachana Rupam so that you know where to apply it. Yuvakaha Shwaha
Pridishyati.
Pridishyati. So Yuvakau Shwaha, then you go back to the table. What should it be?
Kridishyataha.
Pridishyataha. So Yuvakaha Shwaha Pridishyanti. So depending on the Vachanam, you have to use the appropriate form in the table. Now, Ashwaha. Runs.
Dhavishyati.
Dhavishyati. Ashwaha. Dhavishyati. Ashwau.
Dhavishyatah.
Ashwaha.
Dhavisyanti.
Pandita. Idanam vadantu.
Gayika va.
Gayika.
Gayika gayati. Gayishyati.
Yami.
Gayikau. No. Gayike. Gayike. Gayika.
Sita. Sitaha. Gayika.
Gayike. Gayike. Gayishyataha. Gayikaha. Gayishyanti.
Or you can say
Bhaginyau. Priya Bhaginyau.
Satetaha.
Okay. Now.
You can also say Priya Bhaginyau.
Yeah, of course you can. Priya Bhaginyau. Perfect. Okay, now Nartanam. Nrityam.
Can I go? Can I go? What do you call them? Nartaki. Nityashi.
Or make it very simple for now. Nrityam karishyati.
Okay. That's better. Nartaki Nrityam karishyati.
Karishyati.
And dual will be Nartike Nrityam karishyatah. Nartikaha Nrityam karisyanti.
So,
can it come? The plural correct?
Sorry?
Is it not like Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha? Nartaki, Nartakyau? No?
Nartaki, Nartakyau, Nartakyaha.
It should be like Nadi, no? That is
Nadi.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Paranta Strilingam.
Aham davishyami, avam davishyavaha, vayam davishyamaha. So this is actually very simple because we've already learned the present tense, right? Just ish you should add. So now these are the exceptions. Okay, there are a lot of grammatical derivations through which we come to this. So at this point, you will just learn a few things. You will not go into all the Kriya Padams. So you can just remember these forms. But as we go to the future levels, you can get more accustomed to how all these are derived. Okay. So here, ni, when you have this ni kind of ending or ti kind of ending, this is the form which it goes into. For example, ni will become neshyati, neshyataha, neshyanti, neshyataha, neshyatha, neshyami, neshyavaha, neshyamaha. Similarly, jayati will become jeshyati, jeshyataha, jeshyanti, jeshyasi, jeshyataha, jeshyatha, jeshyami, jeshyavaha, jeshyamaha. So you can just take a snapshot of this and you can practice these different forms because these are exceptions. Okay. You have a few more. I will just show you in the subsequent slides. You can practice this. Okay. Similarly, for
Avina, just 1 minute in the previous slide. So Milati will become Melati, Krinati will become Melishyati, Krenishyati, and what will Upavishyati become?
Kreshyati, Upaveshyati.
Oh, so we will become ve.
Melishyati, Kreshyati, Upaveshyati. Now, Shru will also take a special form. Sroshyati. Sroshyati, Sroshyataha, Sroshyanti, Sroshyati, Sroshyataha, Sroshyatha, Sroshyami, Sroshyavaha, Sroshyamaha. So, Rudati, Rodishyati. So, these are some special forms. Similarly, we speak about Pashyati, right? So, Drishyati, Drish Dhato, Drakshyati will be the future tense form. You don't have the concept of Prakshyati will not come. Pashyati, Prakshyati will not come. That's why I said I'll discuss that later. So it will become Drakshyati in the future form. So I think Kala Bhagini was trying to frame a sentence using that earlier, no? So you can use Drakshyati. So what was the sentence you were trying to form at that time?
Chitram aham aham next day
aham shvah chitram drakshami.
Drishyami. That was.
Drakshami. Now anybody wants to try with this drakshati form? Go ahead.
You want sentences?
Yes. Using drakshati in future tense.
I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Aham shwaha samskritasya rupaka drakshyami. Rupakam drakshyami. Can I say that?
Samskritasya rupakam ityukte kaha artha?
Kaha? No. Just a vague sentence. I'm just trying to use two words, samskritasya and rupakam. Can I use it together?
What is the meaning of samskritasya rupakam, Raj?
Rupakam is drama, right? Samskritasya is Samskrita drama.
Oh, okay.
So samskritasya na avashyakam tatra.
Samskrita
natakam, Samskrita rupakam tadrisham paryaptam bhavati.
Okay. So rupakam.
Then you would try to say Samskrita's rupam, it will become like that. So that's not required. Samskrita natakam drakshyami.
Samskrita. Okay. Thank you.
Can one of you tell me a sentence using the plural, please? Pratama Purushaha Bahuvachana Rupam of Nrit Lakaraha.
Okay, Yuvakaha Shvaha Olympics Kridanam Drakshyanti.
Drakshyanti.
Olympics Kridam Drakshyanti.
Te chitram drakshyanti.
Te chitram drakshyanti. Uttam. Now let's complicate it a little more. So tell me some sentence using taha paryantam along with drakshyanti.
Aham सायंकाले 6:00 7:00 पर्यन्तं चलचित्रं द्रक्ष्यामि.
द्रक्ष्यामि बहुवचन प्रयोगम्.
छात्राः 6:00 7:00 पर्यन्तं चलचित्रं द्रक्ष्यन्ति.
Chalanchitram drakshyanti. Anybody else wants to use plural of Uttama Purushaha or Pratama Purushaha? Plural in Bhavishyat Kala Prayogam. Drakshyanti.
Vayam grihe. Vayam grihe. What is for television?
Doordarshanam.
Vayam grihe अष्टवादनतः 9 पर्यन्तं दूरदर्शनं द्रक्ष्यामः.
उत्तमं द्रक्ष्यामः.
वयं श्वः 7:00तः 8:00 पर्यन्तं नृत्य अभ्यासं
एकनिमिषं 7:00 only 7:00 न आगच्छति. वदतु पुनः.
अच्छा, I have to make द्रक्ष्यामः. 7:00तः 8:00 पर्यन्तं नृत्यनाटिका द्रक्ष्यामः.
द्रक्ष्यामः. उत्तमम्. Who wants to go next? Anybody? No? Okay, so Dabhai, you want to say something? You're unmuted. Okay.
We can use tvam for drakshyasi.
Yes. Yeah. I just wanted you all to get comfortable first with the basics. That's it. You can use it with anything from the start.
Honestly, please. Bad boy. No. Take it. No.
What is that?
Sit down.
What is this OPOOA1 phone? Whose number is that? I'm not able to. Whose name is that? I'm not able to see the picture nor the name. Oppo A1K phone. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so there is also Atmanepadi Rupam. You know, suppose we use Vande. So the Atmanepadi Rupam will be again very, very easy because it's very identical to the Vande, Vandete, Vandante. Just that it will be Vandishyate, Vandishyete, Vandishyante, Vandishyase, Vandishyethe, Vandishyadve, Vandishye, Vandishyavahe, Vandishyamaha. Okay. So, Vakyam Prayatnam Kurmaham.
I don't know if this is correct. I can try it.
Yeah.
Aham Shata Vadanatah Sapta Vahana Paryantam Shwaha Mandire Devam Vandishye.
Saha Vandishye Uttamam Samyak.
Aham. So, but can I say Mandire? Do I have
Vandishyate? So you use
Mandire Devam, or I can just say Devam Vandishya. I know that's correct, but I want to say Devam in a temple. In a temple is Mandire.
Mandire.
Mandire Devam Vandishya.
Uttamam. Okay. Vandishya is Atmanepadi Rupam, Sushi Bhagini. For Aham Namami. Aham Vande, both are same. You asked for meaning question mark. I don't know for which one you asked. Okay. So in the chat there was some meaning question mark, right? So
that was my reaction to this one's statement. Raji's.
Sorry, we've been having a private conversation. I'm sorry. Let's continue.
Okay. So anybody else? Atmanepadi?
Can I just make a simple one, Guru?
Yes, please.
Chhatraha Gurum Vandishyante.
Uttamam. Chhatraha Gurum Vandishyante. In fact, I always prefer 3 or 4 worded sentence when you understand a concept. Don't complicate it because the concept should first, get into our mind. After that, we can go on expanding. Okay. So anybody else for Vandishyate?
Aham vadami.
Vadatu.
Dhanyavadaha. Tvam devam vandishyase.
Tvam devam vandishyase. Uttamam.
Vayam devam vandishyamahe.
Uttamam. Vayam devam vandishyamahe. Uttamam.
Chhatraha prata kale vidyalaye gurum vandishyante.
Vidyalaye gurum vandishyante. Uttamam. Samyak. So this is the basic idea of the Bhavishyat Kala Rupas. Okay. So now you can have a look at your worksheets. So in that column, in the Bhavishyat Rupa column, you will find, some of these exceptions that I mentioned also. So as a team, what you can do is go create the 3 into 3 Rupas for the Kriyapadams there and create sentences using the chart, like Saha Vandishyati is there. So you will of course now know all the 9 forms of that. And then you add some Kriyapadams to it. So you can create, a lot of sentences. And then when you add the Taha, Padyantam, Samayaha, Shwaha, Parashwaha, Bhavishyat Kala Rupam. In fact, you can add Bhavishyat Kala Rupam even by saying Agami Mase, Agami Varshe. So you could speak about, the future month or the future year or something like that. So you can create a lot of things like that. Okay. So any questions, discussions on any of the Bhavishyat Kala Rupams? Yes, Raji.
The Gachati that you said first, Gamchati, Gamishyami, one word that you introduced for self, isn't it? Aham Swaha
Vidyalaya Gamishyami.
Any other word becomes like that, like Gamishyami types? Any other word?
Everything, no, but patta patishyami, gam gamishyami, everything will be like that. Kad kadishyami.
Gachami, how did it become Gamish?
The first table, what I showed, everything will take that form only, no? Let me show you.
But where did that ma shabd come from?
Ravina, may I answer her question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Kala, the root is gamma. The root is not gacha. Root is gam.
Oh, thank you.
Always go by the dhatu.
Root.
See, the dhatu takes the different forms. So
it is so different.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So it is gam dhatu, pat dhatu, gach dhatu.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll just show you that screen for clarification. I would have even put it there saying that it is gum or.
I tend to forget that root word, Guru. That's the problem.
That is the main focus because that is what will help us go into the different forms itself. So if you notice in any of the charts, we will be having that dhatu as the focus. So have a look at this.
So sorry, I'm making you do this.
Not a problem at all. Okay, so if you have a look at this here, after this I'll have the slide. Okay. Okay. So pat is the dhatu which takes the form of patishyati. So whatever you see here in the bottom is all dhatu. Creed dhatu becomes creedishyataha. Dav is again a dhatu. So whatever you mention here, kr is the dhatu which becomes karishyati. So all these are the derived forms.
Yes.
So similarly, when you look at this, ni is the dhatu. That is where it goes into neshyati. Okay. Shri is the dhatu, shoshyati. You have to understand the dhatu because the application of that will keep coming all the time for us, going in the, going forward in so many aspects. Drish becomes drakshyati. So you have to understand those. So you can have a look at that chart and then create sentences, expand on it. So that is about it for today. I don't want to do a little more because it's a heavy thing. Just work on this. Apply.
Ravina, sorry. In this table that you're right now showing, Pashya has become Drakshya. What does Pricha become?
Prishya.
Prakshya. Prakshyati.
Prakshyati.
Okay, Prakshyati. And Tyajati becomes?
Tyakshyati.
Huh?
Tyakshyati. Tyakshyati.
Tyakshyati.
You might have all that in that chart. The verbs I told you, no? You will have that. That's why I asked you to have that with you. Okay. So you don't have to get confused. That will have one word in
all
it.
The verbs.
You can expand on that. That's the whole idea.
Okay. Yes.
Use that chart. That will come in handy. And if you go to the third page of the chart, you will also have that, a diagram that I showed you earlier, where you can substitute. The diagram will be there. So that will help you create sentences. This diagram that I was showing you earlier. This chart will also be there. You can see this also in that. So you can start applying it. Any other questions? Okay. So today we will wrap up. Tomorrow we might take a little longer, I think. Just plan to stay for 15 more minutes because I want to complete certain topics tomorrow. Even that Saraswati sloka is pending. So let me see how we handle it. Okay. So namaste, shwaha milamaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Guru.
Dhanyavadaha, Guru.
Dhanyavadaha, Pravina Guru.
So what do you say for tomorrow? Let us meet tomorrow.
No, milamaha is correct.
Will that mean milamaha if you use in the future tense? Till now it is okay.
Melishyamaha.
Uttama. Samyak. Swaha melishyamaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Ravina, I had one small doubt, totally not connected to this. In the Mataram Vardila, Vande Samskrita Mataram. And the Mataram is, what is the root and Dhatu, and why are we using Mataram? Matarahava.
Matru must be.
No. Ma and your
Matram.
feet. One day you.
Sorry.
Ma is mother, I think.
Yeah.
Matru.
Matra Shabdam is the
Dhatu.
Rikaranta Shabdam. So Matra Shabdam form you have not learned. That's why you have that confusion. It will be the Dvitiya Vibhakti Prayogam of Matra Shabdam.
So Rikaranta Srilingam order, Dvitiya Vibhakti is Mataram.
Mataram.
Matra is the Pratipada.
The root word.
Pratipada.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Namaste. Ram Ram.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Who's Oppo A1K?
Oppo A1.
Thank you, Guruji. Though I missed few classes, I'll try to catch up.
This is Kirtna.
Okay. Because your name was not visible and you were not in video, so I was not sure.
I'm typing that, Guruji.
Okay.
So, Raji, how are you?
Doing well, yeah. In Trichy, driving back today.
Okay. So, Aniki, idu by heart paniyacha? Guru Ashtakam?
By heart, நிறைய வாட்டி படிச்சிட்டேன் ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு
I was happy I could make it that day.
Yeah, அதுதான் நானும் யோசிக்கிறேன் ஏன் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கத்துக்காமலே வளர்ந்துட்டோம்
இல்ல because இந்த மாதிரி opportunities when we use that's
I went to a very of course I was oriented when I was younger. School I studied in Vivekananda Vidyalaya. Every Friday we'll have a budget